Kublai vi baro ki viewers ki kun samlang ki badang up kimi lenti ban apply ki kam ki jamba per ki balai na poko state bat shabar state ru umju ti hagani ga video ne pe hagbe dei bat ka khubor light kam bat shwa bangin jam shakata ngakor pat pi saji sen wat num pe tang ya ka video ringa yu I ki ba pe ya ki video ki bun ri ban subscribe ki duna tinga kor pat saji sen ya pi subhawa num plate ban share lang ya ki video shiki parlok bajan ki chong hi subhawa num plate ban like ban khamta me ban subscribe khana ma pinyo ya ki latest update hakbe de bat ki khubor lai kam lani hakbe de ban ka education ti kadon hadu Chipo hajar reus pan rup atli ki vacancies. Mo, chipo hajar reus pan rup atli ki vacancies hagani ka kubor jingpun bana. Kata lengba ka State Bank of India lane SBI ka khon online application nang ko banta kiti ki chipo hajar reus pan rup atli ki vacancies hakaleng jong kari India. Ban hapo ka state ka jongiru ki don shipon dali ki post hapo ka state Meghalaya. Mo te sngap ha nakabenta kini ki post. So recruiting organization ketika State Bank of India post name junior associate customer support or sale lani kita ki clerical cadre. The total vacancies kan 10,000 vacancies. Kendai hajar chis pa arpsau ki regular drive kat sans palai pupra ki special drive. Hapo Meghalaya ka specific vacancies karon 24 regular posts but 20 backlog posts. Application mode kadi online. Okay. Registration date last dang nadu ka khatway tarik banai ba pra jar arphunriu bat kan kut adu live way tarik banai ba pra arajar arphunriu. Nata registration date special drive nangta ki SD kadi new tarik banai ba pra arajar arphunriu hadu arphunriu tarik banai ba pra arajar arphunriu. Selection process in lecture daka preliminary exam, main exam, but local language proficiency test. The job application can be across India or state on your territory wise allotment mo. Di pidi ban pediang baik lada pio posting national lada pisajit. Okay. Nangta nginpit mentai ya ki candidates applying for vacancies in Meghalaya under the Guwahati Circle must review the official category-wise seat distribution below. Page pang ni. Nakabenta ki general unreserved kadwitali scheduled tribes totally economical weaker section artly other baward classic is ishkawi nangta scheduled caste done. More additional Meghalaya details regular backlog vacancies 20 total Meghalaya advertised posts kadi south and 44 vacancies the opted local language kadi English Garu or Khasi pidi panang baik ya kita mo local language the exam centers in Meghalaya kata po Shillong ba tura mo ke exam centers kadona po Shillong ba ha tura nangta ka regular recruitment drive umta mangalaong iti regular vacancies nyo hajan ruspa propo backlog vacancies katsaus pa saw bat ka sub total hantu kadon khandai charge pa arpsaw mangalaong nabastang okay nangta special recruitment drive special backlog vacancies katsan spa latu pra bat lada total ikati kadon chibo hajan ruspa ndupo atligi vacancies Tito nganam don kam banda pulih ka separate category di kumte kembang laong yapi ya kita ki nongsainhima ki badai na po state Meghalaya di kita ki post okay handai lada pikwa pada ban apply shui ki don hangke general ki don lahachar aspa san fulai OBCs 1716 posts one vacancies scheduled caste 1114 ST 837 EWS 760 vacancies. Or now we'll move on to eligibility criteria. Age limit, standard age 20 to 28 years, candidate born between 2nd of April 1998 and 1st of April 2026. Upper age relaxation up to 5 years for ST. Nagda jungi ki ST kan don sans name kata kamut hadu arpau hadu lai senang idang lah apply. Okay. Educational qualification degree requirement. No? Any degree candidate can apply for the following posts. Nampak ini ki post parok. Okay. Nanti nampak ki final year ru lada pilih final year mata senam di pilaban apply. Ban lada kata ke result jumpi piyo no haswa ke lai poitrik menai bakat arajar arpandriu. Okay. Nanti ka language proficiency ke bapi hab bet bantip nagamta jungi ki bana po Meghalaya kandi ka khasi garu and English. Okay. Pay scale monthly salary starting 24,050 to 64,480. Mo arp saw hajar sanpo tengka hadu unrup saw hajar sauspa prapau. Starting basic pay it is 26,730. No, basic pay kadi apnu hajar news pa laipau per month. Or approximate total emolument around 46,000 per month. Okay. Or inclusive DA and other allowances. Tinagum taka selection process kendon ka preliminary exam 100 marks 1 hour, English language, numerical ability, reasoning ability, negative marking go kendon mo. Nangta phase 2 main exam general financial awareness, general English, quantitative aptitude, regional ability and computer aptitude. An application fee nakumtai ki ST Mdon Jingsiu AA to M. Renamta for others like General OBC EWS, your application fee is 750. Okay. So how to apply? Go to the online link that I have put on my comment pins box. The late lomba ka link bangan bu po comment pin box apply namta ki post baper ki badon lagi po hajar. Okay. Nanti ada pikwa ban pe ru ya ka notification pila ban late nanti. Nanti special drive namta ki SD pila ban late na download ya PDF ru unjuk he. Okay. Di nakamta ki jing apply ya ki post ngasuong ban ngaswa ban penpau hang ni kelong ba. Late syaki cyber kebajan ki jongpi ong ye ki parlo batre hang tu yarap lang ban apply namta kini ki post. Okay, tang katahi kadi ki jingkor pat na kadi ngjonga. Di kermen lebha namta ki exam per bat kermen pinyo batre ha po SBI. Kublai shibun, kublai jarno.